Hi there, this is Scrembo, and I want to say a massive thank you for joining into my course and trusting me. It's very important for me that you have joined into my course and you have trusting me, so I'm going to make sure you have everything you need in order to succeed building up a buyer's list for free with no product launch. I'm going to make sure you got all the information, you will have all the knowledge in order to proceed into this business and have everything in order to succeed. Okay, so again, massive thank you for joining into my course. Massive thank you because you trust in me. Okay, so I'm going to speak to you about myself. Firstly, I'm going to introduce to you myself. I'm Scrembo. I'm 20 years old at the moment. I've started working online at 16 years old. 4 years old already I'm working here. I have no boss. I have nobody taking care of what I'm doing. I have nobody, controlling me. I have nobody saying this is not good, this is like this is like that. It's everything on my hand and on my brain. I'm controlling everything. I have a couple of people working for me at the moment. And what I can tell you, my main business areas are email marketing, where I'm making about 6-figure a year monthly incomes, and also I'm running a coaching program where I'm coaching people to make money online, where I also earn very good money with them, and everyone is happy at that point. Everyone is making their own money and everyone is working full-time like I do. This is my promise for this life. Basically, I will never ever work for some bosses. I will never ever work for somebody. I hope I will be able to stay working with my hands, with my brain, and keeping up with, not getting employed. So basically, that's pretty all about me. Very shortly, I'm happy to be here in front of you. I'm happy to share with you all my knowledge about this strategy that I'm going to tell you. So hopefully you're going to go through all the course. Hopefully you're going to basically leave me a simple, honest review you're going to have over the course. And kindly thank you again. Thank you for trusting me and all that stuff, Okay, so waiting you over the modules, waiting you to get started, waiting you to leave a comment, and see you inside. Okay, thank you for watching.